Okay, this is a video of how to hook up the Code 3 mastercom B siren to a power supply or jump starter. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your primary wires here, which is in the rear. You have a positive and you have your ground. You're going to take power from this, which is a positive and ground wire. The cables here, I have them hooked up to the power there. The ground wire is down here. And I'm going to turn that on. So you're simply just hooking up your ground and your power to the wires in the back here.